Here we have a few files on the computer, and here I have a USB flash drive. And although that the USB flash drive has 6.7 gigabytes of free space on it, I cannot copy a 4 gigabyte file onto the flash drive. So if I copy the 4.5 gigabyte file, I receive this message: the file is too large for the destination file system. So why can't I copy a 4 gigabyte file when I have 6 gigabytes free? That is because the USB flash drive here at properties, it is formatted as FAT32. FAT32 file system allows only files of maximum 4 gigabytes. This is larger than 4, it's 4.5. So in order to copy that file onto the flash drive, I need to format the flash drive into another format. Okay, so in this case I can format the USB flash drive. And don't use FAT32 but use either exFAT or NTFS. Let's try exFAT and leave that 32 there and start. This will destroy all information from the USB flash drive. Okay, to continue, back up every information if you have something there. Okay, now the flash drive was formatted, and now I should copy onto the flash drive. The flash drive in this case, it's not FAT32 but exFAT. Okay, and I should copy all of those files onto the drive and copy. There is not enough free space message, and the files are being copied. Copying was finalized, and there is also 2.4 gigabytes of free space on the USB flash drive using the exFAT file system, not FAT32.